the name of Honorable Erick B., that is a MCA for Kaplela Ward, who has been nominated by his side, representing the ICE side. Unfortunately, I haven't received any name from the NAY side, and therefore I ask the Honorable Erick B. to come forward and take your seat at the side of the dispatch table, which should be on my left, or on my left. Is that left? Yeah, because ordinarily the right side should have been the other side. Honorable members, we shall now commence our voting, and our clerk shall take the votes. Clerk to take roll call and confirm the results with both tellers and other clerks.
Number 1 is Honorable Cheriot Bet. On Bet Erick Kipkurui. Bet Erick Kipkurui. Bet Gladys Chesang.
I vote yes. I vote yes.
B. Victor.
I vote yes.
Chebwagen Evelyn. Chelangat Ma.
I strongly vote yes.
Chepkurui Edina Tami.
I vote yes.
Chepnieno Gabriela. Chepkemoi Beatrice. Chepnieno.
I strongly vote yes.
Chepnieno Jessica.
I vote yes.
Chepkurui Davina. Cheriot Martin Kiplangat. Chirchir Paul Kibegon. Isaac Matkei. Kigonyo Masi Njere.
Yes.
Keino Kengetich Dara.
I vote yes.
Kemoi Peter Kibet.
%, I vote yes.
Kipkoech Albert.
I vote yes.
Kipnieno Hezron.
I vote yes.
Kipnieno Kerui. Kerui Vincent Kipnieno. Kerui Vincent Kipnieno. Korir Francis Chepkorir.
On behalf of the good women of Kericho County, I vote yes.
Korir Vincent Kipkurui.
On behalf of the people of Londiani, I vote yes.
Kifrotich Rogon.
On behalf of the great people of Sigawit, I vote yes.
Korir Matthew Kipkurui. Osgei Kimgetich Vincent.
On behalf of Kericho County Youth, I vote. I pick yes.
Osgei Simon. Langat Chepkoech Winnie. Langat Irene Chebet.
I vote yes.
Langat Richard Cheriot.
On behalf of the people, the great people of Kedawa Kimugul, I vote yes.
Maritim David Kipkorir.
Seriously, yes.
Mibei Anita Cherono.
The Honorable Maritim, you say either you vote, there is no seriously. So you repeat again, please. Kind of.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Speaker. 100% yes. I vote yes, 100% and seriously.
Are you affected by the 1 minute? Okay, proceed, clerk.
Mibei Anita Cherono. Mutai Dominic Kipkorir. Mutai Philip Kipniano.
On behalf of the great people of Kipchimchim, I honestly vote yes.
Ngetich Gilbert Kifrop.
I vote yes.
Opile Noela Omolo. Rono Philip.
On behalf of the people of Kamashan, I vote yes.
Rotich Moses Cheriot.
Order, clerk. You said order? Oh, yeah, that's okay. Proceed.
Rotich Haron Kipkemoi.
Oh, yeah.
Rotich Haron Kipkemoi.
On behalf of good people of Seretut, Cheptororiet Ward, I vote big yes.
Now Rotich Moses Cheriot.
On behalf of the great people of Tendeno Soget, I vote yes.
Rob Naman Kipsgei. Ruto Anton.
I vote yes.
Siele Julius Kipkorir.
I vote yes.
Sirma Lily Chepkemoi.
On behalf of Kericho women, especially market, I vote yes.
Terer Francis Kiplangat.
I vote yes.
Clerk, you can confirm the results with the teller that we have. That is the Honorable Erick B. You can proceed in front of the table. Table clerks. Yes, clerk. Honorable members, from order,